Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the fundamentals. Remove and reset the SIM to ensure a clean connection, then test that SIM in another phone to isolate hardware. Once done, toggle airplane mode and reboot your Samsung to clear temporary radio faults. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Data Saver isn't blocking connections. While you perform these quick checks, note whether carrier services or outage messages arrive. That tells you whether the issue is local to your device or on the network side. Next, dive into settings. Set mobile networks to LTE/3G/2G auto, and if automatic fails, manually select your carrier to force registration. If mobile data still fails, reset the access point name to carrier defaults or re-enter the provider's APN precisely. Protocol, MCC/MNC, authentication type matter. If you've used VPNs or custom proxies, go ahead and reset network settings to remove hidden conflicts. These steps address most software-side misconfigurations that prevent. Finally, apply software updates and carrier service updates. These often include radio firmware fixes. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks connectivity, and run a factory radio log or diagnostic if available. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove deep software corruption. If reset doesn't help, contact your carrier for SIM provisioning or take the phone to a certified repair center. That confirms whether the modem or antenna needs hardware service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.